Hey, Grandpa, can you give me a drink of water? Wait, no, you do it. No, I'm not doing it, Grandpa. You gotta do it, you lazy person. Hey, I'm not lazy. Oh, you know your grandpa's old. No, you're so lazy and you're fat. How dare you call your grandpa fat? Because you are fat. Now give me a water, you lazy person. Why can't you do it? Fine, I'll do it. No, fine, I'll do it. Jeez. Damn. I'll give you a damn water. I got you water, Robert. I don't like Princess Peach. I hate Princess Peach. Princess Peach sucks. Just drink it. It's just a cup. No, I'm not drinking it. Just drink it. It's just Princess Peach. If you don't drink it, I don't know what to tell you. It's nothing. It's nothing. Just drink it. If you don't drink it, then get water yourself. No, you are so lazy. How do you not know anything? Why don't you know anything? Oh, you want to fight, fat pig? Yeah, I want to fight. Game on. Oh, yeah. Now don't ask for me to get you a water again. Yeah, right, I will. Get off of me. Yeah. Okay, I guess you win. But I brought someone special. His name's Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin? Yes, Benjamin Franklin. Don't you love Benjamin Franklin? Oh, I love Benjamin Franklin. He's the kidnapper, right? Yeah, he's a big kidnapper. Oh, yeah, then I love him. Okay, if you love him so much, then kiss him on the lips. No. Not that type of love. Yes, that type of love. That type of love. That type of love. When are you going to bring him? Oh, I don't have Benjamin Franklin. You just shut up. No, you shut up, Grandpa. You never shut up. You made a big mistake. Now shut up. No, Grandpa. If you tell me to shut up. Why'd you tell me to shut up? Oh, my God. Be quiet. Oh. Hey, Grandpa, I gotta tell you something. What do you want, Benjamin Franklin? Benjamin Franklin. What do you want? April Fools! What was April Fools? They hitting you. Why, you son of a...